Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Why Do We Procrastinate, where we dive headfirst into the delightful world of putting things off until later. Today, we tackle the question that has baffled productivity gurus and driven countless deadlines to despair: why do we procrastinate? So, grab your favorite excuse, sit back, and prepare to embark on a procrastination adventure. Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by a mountain of papers, and a project deadline is looming ominously over your head. But instead of diving in, you find yourself scrolling through cat videos, organizing your pencil collection, or even contemplating the deeper meaning of life. Yes, the art of procrastination. The first stop on our procrastination journey takes us deep into the caverns of our minds. One of the key reasons we procrastinate is the fear of failure. We'd rather postpone a task indefinitely than face the possibility of not measuring up to our own expectations. After all, why risk failure when you can postpone it to a more convenient time, like never? Our next stop explores how procrastination feeds our desire for immediate pleasure. Rather than tackling a daunting task, we seek the comfort of short-term indulgences. Binge watching that addictive TV series, indulging in a never-ending social media scroll, or embarking on a quest to find the world's fluffiest marshmallow. Who can resist the call of instant gratification? Now, let's dive into the mysterious realm of perfectionism. Yes, my friends, the quest for flawlessness can be a procrastinator's worst enemy. We convince ourselves that if we wait just a little longer, we'll be able to produce something so mind-blowingly perfect that it'll rival the Sistine Chapel ceiling. Spoiler alert: perfection is an elusive creature, and procrastination is its favorite hiding spot. Sometimes, we procrastinate simply because we can't find the inner drive to get things done. We wait for that magical surge of motivation to strike us like a bolt of lightning, but it never quite materializes. So, we continue to procrastinate, hoping that someday, motivation will sweep us off our feet. Motivation, that elusive unicorn. Until then, it's Netflix and snacks. Our final stop on this procrastination roller coaster takes us to the land of time warp. Somehow, the space-time continuum seems to warp when we procrastinate. Minutes turn into hours, hours into days, and before we know it, we're in a race against the clock, scrambling to finish a project that should have been completed ages ago. It's like we entered a parallel universe where time has a mischievous sense of humor. As we wrap up our whimsical journey into the enigmatic world of procrastination, let's remember one thing: we're all in this together. Procrastination may be the master of disguise, but it's also a reminder of our shared human quirks and foibles. So, embrace your inner procrastinator, but remember to tame it when the time is right. Until next time, my fellow champions of postponement, stay witty, engaging, and forever entertained by the procrastinator within. This is Why Do We? Signing off.